Can you imagine QuickBooks being a breeze to use and navigate, not having to spend countless hours trying to figure things out? Well, I'm here to tell you there is a way to learn QuickBooks fast and easy once and for all. In the next 60 seconds, I'll not only show you how you can gain confidence using QuickBooks, but I will also reveal to you my proven approach that has helped thousands of other QuickBooks users just like you learn QuickBooks once and for all. Hey, I'm Matt Holquist. I've been a CPA for over 25 years now, and I started the QuickBooks University 12 years ago, and I have helped over 4,000 people easily learn QuickBooks. Now, some people would say you need an accounting degree or you need to spend countless hours watching YouTube videos to learn how to use QuickBooks. But I'm telling you, these are all just myths designed to take your hard-earned money and waste your valuable time. You see, QuickBooks can seem like a maze, more specifically, a maze where you're blindfolded. But look, I'm here to give you the answers. I'm here to shine a light and give you step-by-step instructions on navigating that maze. And I boiled it down to a simple step-by-step process. So if you're tired of just getting by and knowing the basics of QuickBooks, I invite you to join the masterclass where I reveal to you the 4-step approach I've put together to help thousands of other QuickBooks users just like you learn QuickBooks once and for all. So click the link below this video to watch the masterclass now, where I show you this 4-step approach and show you how easy it is to navigate the platform. Just imagine opening QuickBooks and feeling empowered and confident knowing that you have all the right answers. Everything is organized and you feel in control. It becomes second nature. So click the link below this video right now to take that next step. And listen, for every day that goes by where you continue to try to learn QuickBooks by watching YouTube videos, you could simplify that process right now by watching my masterclass. And watch until the end where you'll get my free mini course where I reveal the top 3 mistakes most people make in QuickBooks and how to avoid them. So click the link right below this video now. I look forward to helping you finally learn QuickBooks.